In addition to computing measures of central tendency, we may want to visually show the distribution of data, the max, the min, and median values. We can do this with a few simple functions for graphing. These include building histograms, box plots, violin plots, density plots, and scatter plots. We'll begin with the basic or built-in functions available to us from the graphics package in R. Let's work with the salary and age data for our dataset of the 60 CEOs. Histograms. We'll begin by drawing a histogram of the salary for the CEOs. We use the hist function, where X is data that we want to graph, main is the title that we want to give our chart, xlab is the label that we give our x-axis. To plot a histogram of CEO salaries, we pass in the variable we want to plot frequencies for, salary, and give it a title and a label. The x-axis shows the salary ranges, 0 to 199,000, 200,000 to 399,000, and so on. The y-axis measures the frequencies, that is, the number of CEOs who have a salary within the ranges on the x-axis. Now it's your turn. Create a histogram that shows the frequencies of ages of the CEOs in our dataset. Use hist and pass in the age column. Box plots. A box and whisker plot provides a depiction of the median, the interquartile range, and the range of the data. The spacing between the different parts of the box help indicate the spread and skewness in the data. We can produce a box and whiskers plot of a single variable using the boxplot function. The usage is the following, where X is the data from which the box plots are to be produced, main is the title, and frame.plot equals false removes the frame around the plot. Let's create a box plot showing the CEO salaries. Now it's your turn. Create a box plot to show the median age and age range for the CEOs. Scatter plots. To visualize the relationship between age and salary, we can use a plot function to build our scatter plot. The usage is the following, where X is the X variable to plot, Y is the Y variable to plot on the Y-axis, main is the title, xlab and ylab are the labels for the axes. Let's see the relationship between age and salary. ggplot. You can draw additional data graphics using the ggplot2 package. ggplot2 is based on the grammar of graphics, the idea that you can build every graph from the same few components. First, a data set, second, a set of geomes, which are visual marks that represent data points, such as a violin, density, bar, point, and so on. ggplot basic structure, where the data is the data frame or tibble, X is a variable to plot on the x-axis, Y is a variable to plot on the y-axis, and the geo_chart type is where you specify the chart type. ggplot for density plot. For example, to plot a density plot, use geom_density and just pass in the x value, since this is a univariate data graphic. ggplot for a histogram. To plot a histogram, you can use the geom_histogram function. There are many more ggplot geom types, such as geom_violin, geom_bar, geom_point. Go ahead and try them out using the CEO dataset.